Hey guys, welcome to our manufacturing facility in Rockland, California. Today we're going to be installing our brand new Silverado front bumper covers on this 23 Silverado. So this will be the model years from 22 to 24 for the Silverado front bumper. Rear bumper is still the same as the old one, and we're going to be coming out with this grille soon. But today we're just going to focus on getting the front bumper covered up.
To follow along on the written instructions, scan the QR code on the digital instruction sheet and select your model. Included with your digital instructions is a stick of adhesion promoter. Keep this close because we'll use it right after our dry fit. To prep the bumper for the install, clean it and then wipe it down with isopropyl alcohol to remove any soap residues or waxes. Especially focus on the area of the bumper directly in front of your tires. Before attempting the install, perform a dry fit by following the rest of these instructions without applying the promoter or removing the backing to the red tape. This will help you check to make sure you like the fit and the color before your installation is permanent, and it'll also give you some practice so you can have the best result your first try. If you have a color matched product, now would be the time to perform your color check. Instructions on how to perform this check are either attached to your installation instructions or on our website. Pick up your adhesion promoter stick and press down on the area indicated on the stick to puncture the vial inside. Now apply the adhesion promoter to all of the areas of the bumper where the 3M tape will be touching down. This includes the area just underneath the bumper. Peel back the 3M tape about ½ an inch and tape it to the front for access later. Remove the red backing to the remaining 3M tape. Wrap the edge of the cover around the back of the bumper and tuck the top edge under the front fascia as you work your way toward the center. Once you're satisfied with the position of the part, put firm pressure on the areas of the bumper where the 3M tape is. Remove the red backing on the inside edge and apply firm pressure here too. Peel the plastic back from the edge of the part where the center cover will overlap. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. For the center portion, we need to peel the red backing about ½ an inch off either side of the short vertical edges, and we'll use masking tape to attach them to the front. Completely remove the backing on the long horizontal pieces of tape. Tuck the center portion under the front fascia and line up the center so it overlaps evenly with the side covers. If your bumper has parking sensors, line the sensors up with the hole cutouts in your cover. Once you're satisfied with position of the part, put firm pressure on the areas of the bumper where the 3M tape is. Peel the red backing on either side and apply pressure there as well. Now peel all the protective film off your covers. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hopefully this helped you install your parts or make a decision on whether Shellz are right for you. And if you need some additional assistance, feel free to call us at the number listed on your screen. Lastly, please like and share this video so more people can find our stuff. Thanks again, guys.